Hey guys, Roblox player remaker Thomas here, and today I have a new papercraft engine that I made, and it's a custom OC, and it's Liz. But the normal buddy is from Percy the Small Engine by Chandler Trainmaster 1, and I use photop.com to reskin this. I got the face here, and I edited the template on photop.com. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna get Percy. Okay, here's Percy. So Liz and Percy have both same bodies, and I don't know who made Liz, but anyways, I reskinned this Percy, but with the classic face. This one is the All Engines Go version with blue body, and I turned him into Liz. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates on the future, and bye for now.